Number 6, a large number of randomized experiments were conducted to determine whether taking a particular drug regularly would decrease the chance of getting a certain disease. For each of the experiments, the drug effect is the difference between the proportion of people taking the drug who got the disease and the proportion of people taking a placebo who got the disease. If the drug had no effect whatsoever, which of the following experimental results would be anticipated? Let's look at each one of those. So for the first one, p-values will be greater than 0.05 for about 95% of the experiments. Think about that. If there is no effect, then we would expect a greater, a big p-value most of the time. Is it going to happen every time? No. If you did many, many, many experiments, you might get a p-value that's smaller than 0.05. But the way that works is the alpha level, the p-values are going to be greater than that alpha level, that said alpha level, whatever that percent is the complement from the alpha level. So that will be true. Let's look at the next one. There will be about an equal number of experiments showing positive and negative values of the drug effect. Well, if there is no effect, 0 should be the center, so we should see some in the negatives and some in the positives. So that's true. Third one, when 95% confidence intervals for the population drug are constructed, those confidence intervals include 0 about 95% of the time. That's kind of very similar, right? 0 is included in the interval. That means that there is no difference for most intervals. Not all, 95% of them. So we conclude that too. So all three of those actually are good things to say.